Can-Am ATVs are an amazing machine that brings us endless power and versatility. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your ATV running smoothly and performing at its best. Some riders enjoy doing the maintenance themselves, while others trust their local dealer to handle their vehicle servicing. Either way, knowing when and what's needed attention is essential. Let's dive into a few important things to keep in mind. To start, it's helpful to think about the kind of rider you are. Maybe you're a casual rider, hitting the trail every other weekend, or using your ATV for light tasks around the property. In that case, you'd fall under the regular maintenance schedule category. However, some riders fall under a more severe duty maintenance schedule. This includes performance riders who push their Can-Am to a higher speeds for extended period of time, often in tougher conditions. You might also be using your Can-Am ATV for daily work, hauling loads regularly, riding in extreme cold conditions, or love tackling muddy or water-filled trails. That would also require a more rigorous, severe-duty maintenance routine. The good news is that Can-Am ATV Operator's Guide, available both in print and on the BRP website, provides specific maintenance guidelines tailored to your style of riding. After you identified your riding style, three main factors will help to determine when maintenance is due. First, there's a calendar time. If you only ride a few times a year, an annual maintenance schedule is probably enough. Second, check your odometer. If you're out on your ATV frequently, riding weekly, or spending a lot of time on the trails, your maintenance schedule will be mileage-based. And finally, if you're using your Can-Am for work and putting it in long hours daily, then scheduling maintenance based on the vehicle operation hours is recommended. Now that you know your riding style and how to set up a maintenance schedule, you can refer to your operator's guide to track when the next service is due. There are easy-to-follow servicing charts for each type of rider, so you can keep your ATV running smoothly and protect your investment. For example, I'm a regular rider spending every other weekend on the trails with friends and family, and my Can-Am ATV has now reached 6,000 kilometers or 3,700 miles. Referring to the Can-Am ATV Operator's Guide, I can easily find that it's time for regular duty A and B maintenance. The guide provides a detailed table listing of all is needed for inspection, maintenance, or replacement. This thorough breakdown makes all necessary maintenance tasks are completed. I hope these Can-Am maintenance tips are helpful. While some maintenance tasks require specialized mechanical expertise that your Can-Am dealer can handle, others are simple enough to tackle without advanced tools or training. See you out on the trail.